gang? I am back with another video. Bada bing, bada boo, bada booyah. Y'all start saying that in my video, so y'all get with it. Today I have 12 eggs. I think 12 eggs in the Blovesauce. Shout out to Jayden. She's standing over there looking. But anyways, I'm not gonna talk too long. Hope she didn't make it kill me hot. Okay, we'll see. Jayden, did you make it kill me hot?
I don't think so.
Okay, she probably did. Just say y'all say. Ooh, so look. Let's see. Not too hot.
Is it spicy?
If I have some noise to find out.
Oh, you talking about a thing.
Okay. Egg number 2 coming at you. Got a napkin right here. And some water. Look how hot it out. Actually. Alright, egg number 3 coming at you. Ow! Oh, I did in my eye. Another raining blood. It's not hot. This is very messy. Oh, okay. Paper towels brought to you by Jayden. I need to crab legs for this, actually. Egg number 4. Holla at me. I really thought it was gonna be easy, but it's not. There's so many eggs. The rest of the family is joining us. Actually, it's Jayden's dad. My lips are burning. ate 4 eggs. I'm full. Excuse me. Yeah. Nah, I don't know about eating the most. I don't know what I think. I ate 4 eggs and I got 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. I don't know what I'm eating 8. So weak, y'all. Yeah. You love y'all. I'm not too bad. I can't eat anymore. Y'all, I done ate 4 eggs and can't eat no more. Anyways, guys, so I can't eat anymore. They're pretty heavy. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, spam it up, spam it up, spam it up, spam it up. I know this is a short video, but I really couldn't eat that many as I thought I would. Like my whole little nose and mouth is burning. It's not even hot. I don't know why. Maybe it's the seasonings that's in there. But yeah. Next time, you know, not next time. Like, comment, subscribe this video, comment, share with anybody. Period. Until the next time. Bye.